drift car, boys.
Just buy a soft top one. You get them for like $3.5 grand.
They're sick in a soft top.
Yeah, in summertime, they fucking mint. Obviously not in wet.
Like you can hold that drift out. The way that it holds me,
yeah.
Fucking hell.
And that's with no angle kit. Right, yay!
She's gone.
Yay! Can't be fucking perfect all the time.
You can't, mate.
But you can do as good as you can.
Caution! Forklift trucks operating in roadways, bro.
Fuck the forklifts. We've got drift cars.
What's he doing? No, what's he doing?
What's he doing?
He's fucking the forklift. Whoa! He almost took us out of the game there. Whoa!
We're on here practically on my toes.
Don't kill the cameraman.
Wider. Way up. We lost it again.
Same spot.
Tyres are getting hot.
Connie 7s only.
Yeah, they're getting a bit warm.
You get that pin to that curve.
I'm telling you, who's drifting like driftstick on these streets, bro?
Me in a fucking cut Corsa with handbrake.
In a Mackey's car park with trays on the back, yeah?
So like, this one looks normal, you got a steering wheel.
This guy is operating the forklift.
My guy's at work. My guy over there has passionate love for his forklift. Whoa! The Hydra's a cheat code, like, boy.
It's the driver mode.
Like, it actually makes the biggest difference.
Because if you just put Hydro in by itself, people are still going to whack into that pole.
Rev its knackers off and all that. That's the best thing about it.
Dangerous. No reversing without Blackman. Oh wait, what?
It's different, this.
Yeah, when you get in one. That's why I say, like, I don't diss the automatic boys, but I'm like, mate, until you fucking
Different.
had the manual and the stick and the shit, mate, it's fucking... Like, look how you can slow right down and just creep in. Get back out, fucking give it some!
He's a fucking driver, I'm telling you that.
Smooth as fucking butter, man. Oh yeah, I'd pay me to be a getaway driver.
Proper driver, this.
It came with an LSD, yeah?
Yeah.
As soon as I welded it up, I was like, that's a new car, mate, yeah. We're on fucking Fred on tyres.
Are we?
Must be, yeah?
Fucking hell. I don't know if you can hear the slapping. I think tread's gone, we're fucking hitting the arches. Them 27s didn't last long.
We'll be fucking back, we want our money back, come.
Now, yeah, can we climb that and get a camera angle or what?
You don't have to ask me twice, bro.
Let's go.
This is light work for Padgy, bro. That's only twice the height of me.
You show me how to climb that, Padgy.
That is so sick. What the fuck? You do that in my M3, bro. Yeah. And you said 80 grand worth of damage.
Yeah,
Believe
you know.
me.
And you know.
You cannot do that. And if anyone can do that, get in touch.
Yeah,
Fuck
no.
that.
That's why I say I don't diss the
Watch out,
automatic
careful,
boys.
that could be a Fed.
I don't diss the automatic boys, you know what I
22,
mean?
is that Fed?
Yeah.
Yo, that's Fed.
You can't say this is light work if you're not about to show me how it's light work, like.
Just keep going, bro. My advice.
Yeah.
Padgy, answer the phone.
Oh, it's fucking sharp.
Go on! Hey, look at him! No way! Now it's your turn.
Fuck's sake. Well, that makes fucking good content, doesn't it? Why don't answer the phone?
Show me how it's done, bro. Come on.
I'm not in the shoes for this. Oh, that is quite sharp. Bro. You're too tall, man.
It's not about height, bro. You know what? I'll give you a hand. He's only run off because he can't get up here.
None of them are answering the phone. The Feds are about to land on you.
I am the same height as this lamppost.
As soon as I seen the lights, bro, I knew.
Peugeot. As soon as you said it, I knew. When Peugeot lights, man.
Yo.
Yo, get out there. Get in the car and go.
Get out. They've left without me. Alfie's left off without me.
Alfie's left without you?
Huh?
What the f?
Why have you gone?
The feds are there, bro. They drove past us on the way in. Yo, why have you left Padgy? You've drove off and left Padgy there. What the fuck? Go get Padgy. What the fuck is wrong with him?
Better check these fucking tyres, mate. Because that D-lamp didn't sound healthy. That one's sound. What's happened here then? That one's fucked. My side's sound, that one's fucked. Still probably just legal, like, but it's weird how they strip from one side more than the other. Well, that was close, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Good job it's one of them bends that makes you slow down.
This is sick, this.
Yeah, they're good.
Oh, I
Yeah.
need a drift car, man.
Yeah. Just, I'd say buy like a fucking...
We're going on Facebook.
Either a cheap Z,
Yeah.
if it's got a decent bodywork with a soft top, because the hard tops obviously cost more, or a BMW. Obviously, I know I've mentioned the BMWs are fucking shit, but you can pick them up for 2 or 3 grand, do you know what I mean? As long as it's got 200 brake, you'll be sound. But yeah, these chassis apparently are meant to be like the easiest and best to drift.
So, like,
in and
would
that.
you take this over a Beamer, like a 36 or something like that?
It depends what your budget is, doesn't it? Knowing what I know now, I would have got a soft top, because I've smashed this car to absolute fucking smithereens, mate, and what was the point? I could have done the same to something cheaper. So I'd say get a soft top, weld the diff, slap a fucking handbrake in it. The seat you don't really need, but you slide about like fuck.
Yeah, that's it. You want control, don't you?
You're really like pushing against the door and that when you don't have these seats. These just keep you in, and you feel the car because it's in.
Yeah,
it's like you feel the chassis more. For me, it's like I'm just doing this.
Yeah, well,
You're
bro, it's so
sliding.
smooth. You know, I've got big power BMWs, man. You're fighting it all the time.
Yeah.
So whereas this, you just back end was out whenever you want it to be. Back on the power and you're
gone, and
smooth.
you're almost letting the wheel just do what it wants,
smooth,
and then guide it into the thing.
Literally on Facebook Marketplace right now, looking at 350s. Tyres fucked then.
Well, it's all right. It'll fucking man some more skids out. It's what it is when you're going and going and going and going and going and going, and you heat them up, and then with the hydro, I've noticed they chunk real bad from where you've been on the slide, and it's gets really hot on the slide, and then pulls a chunk of it off.
As if you left him behind. What is wrong with you? Fucking left him there with the SD cards and everything. And then I was trying to ring you. You won't answer your phone. He won't answer your phone. I thought, right, I'll ring Amy. Thankfully, someone answered the phone.
Whilst that was going on, we were climbing up that electric box against
The fence just landed on there, like, oh shit! SD card.
What are you doing up there, man?
We're just bird watching.
Are you in? I'm in. Yeah, the lights don't work, I forgot.
No, there's no light.
Hope I haven't fucked my jacket climbing that £400 jacket it is.
That's why I wear 50 quid fishing jackets and shit, Padge. Get you sent to go outdoors, brother.
I just didn't expect to climb the electric box, and it's got glass shards on it.
Expect everything to wear out, Padgy.
Fucking hell.
Expect absolutely fucking everything.
We're down a set of tyres, 2 full tanks of fuel, jacket, camera, all soaked. Can't even see out the windscreen.
We nearly got fucking pinched, mate.
Nah, not with God's blessings, brother. I prayed that we'd return home safe.
Oh, of
And
course.
my prayers are always answered.
Yeah.
We're good people at heart, bro. God wouldn't put us through that.
I don't know, he puts me through some fucking shit. He's testing me, Padgy boy.
We do get tested,
He's
bro.
fucking tested me since I was a kid, bro.
We do get tested, but that's what builds our character.
You filming?
Oh yeah, I'm filming, bro. Drifting, how did you get into drifting?
Sort of by chance. Obviously I had the fucking C63, didn't I?
Oh yeah, you lent it out to that Liverpool lad.
Yeah, that lad there, he ain't fucking brought it back, so if you get hold of him, tell him I want my fucking C63 back. Obviously I like the rear wheel drive at that point, so I was like, let me just get a proper fucking car made for drifting, kit it all out, get it specced out and have some fun. Because unless you've got a clutch and gears, you're not really drifting. You're really not. Like, even the automatic boys, they'll tell you the same thing, like, there's only so much you can actually do. And most of them crash because they don't have a clutch. So you can't sap all the power out of the car and shit. It just, when it goes wrong in them autos, it goes wrong, mate. Yeah. You stamp on the clutch 9 times out of 10, you go back straight.
So it gives you much more driver control.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 100%. Your control's more there. You need gears. Gears and a clutch. If you're going to spin
really
out...
drifting without a hydro as well? Because I see a lot of these M3s, M4s, they're doing power slides, they're linking a few corners. Do you still consider that drifting?
You could argue that it is and it isn't. At the end of the day, You're doing a drift if you transition. So if you go from one way to the other, rear wheel drive Diaries can skid his BMW. He can drift it. Like, he can drift it. But he will tell you himself, it gets to a point where he needs to scrub speed out. So it's stopping him getting to that next level. You put him in a clutch with a hydro and he will get to that next level.
You're right, I reckon him in an E36 would level it up.
Yeah, it's the car that's stopping him, 100%. But he transitions, so you can't say he's not drifting because he is drifting. You know, the faster you start going, mate, you're doing 70, 80 mile an hour in an automatic car sliding, mate. Good luck trying to stop it at any considerable pace.
Yeah.
Whereas you slam all the brakes on and get the hydro anchored on, mate, you fucking stop, and you stop fast. I could do it now, like we're doing 70 now, I could slam it on now, we'd go down to 30 in a breath. That's why all these boys that you see doing the drifts and they do 150 mile an hour entries, when they actually set back off, they're doing about 60. They scrub all that speed out of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a massive safety precaution.
Yeah, and obviously with the automatic cars, you just can't go to that extreme.
Right. The bounds for error are much smaller.
Yeah, I wouldn't like to go and throw an automatic BMW at 150 out sideways and think that you're probably going to keep that in one piece. You're not. The hydro's what saves your fucking bacon. Hands down, saves your ass every time. If you don't have one, are you even a drifter?
And it's very wet right now.
Yeah.
So this is ideal for practice, right?
Yeah.
Going at a slower speed, it's more manageable. Or would you argue it's much safer when it's dry?
If you've got 400-500 brake horsepower, it's like being in the wet anyway on the dry. When we're in the dry, we put our tyre pressure up, yeah? You go onto any Formula Drift professional, they put their tyre pressure down. They want grip,
Right,
we
makes
don't.
sense, makes sense.
So it all depends on the grassroots of the car, the brake horsepower of the fucking motor. If you've got 500-600 brake horsepower, it's like being on ice all the time.
Shout out Matthew.
Shout Matthew Driver.
What a fucking driver, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's definitely not getting fixed.
Shout out MK working hard.
Hey, what is
It's been a long time since.
Knock it all you want. You need
Big
to
up
ring that
MK.
up and down, simple as that. You know where we are. Really HQ, let's not fuck about. This is an episode, bro. We're filming right now. Shout out, there's a lot of time we've got to fucking shout out on the channel.
My guy even tuned out my stutter.
So if you need a remap, stage 1, stage 2, stage fucking 79,000, mate. Get your sent down, we'll dyno it to whatever you need here. I'm not messing about. Also, if you need some sparky work, shout my boy.
Go to each bulb.
Sparky talking, you know what I mean? That's right, you just keep talking about it. Oh! Who did this? Harry, what the fuck?
Harry,
Bro!
some boy. Turn around, bro. Right.
Shout him out.
Shout him for all your electrics, yeah?
You know how long it's going to stay like
And
this
this
for?
is not the office.
A grand total of 3 hours.
No, it's gonna stay like this. It's gonna stay like this. Look, on camera.
Oi, listen, yeah? On camera. On camera.
Do us a favour, mate. Go on up in the gear.
Wait, there.
No, you don't need a run. Look at him. Oh, you might have seen this in there, Matty's video. Go on, let him in, mush. Show me the air gun. Yeah. Oh! What? Hey, you need to tie. Fucking hell. Look at that. Oh, that's whistling diesel.
Not looking good, bruv. How do we use a battery pack?
Yeah, so you put that one there like that. Then you get this one like this. Right, you press all the buttons till it works.
On the key, mate. Who wants it? You're gonna have to move this.
You're showing him the latest masterpiece. He opens his Instagram, it's there. Violated, bro. Violated. Have you seen the latest episode? You're a bunch of fucking traitors, you lot. Have you watched it? Yes! Come on! Well, you'd fucking know if you were subscribed, wouldn't you? Notification bell, lads. Stop! Get out of the fucking way then. Shut up. I'm gonna do a burnout, mate. Fucking hell. Can't believe you've not seen it.
That's it, mate. Just pulled up half at the floor. Let's just get a close up on that fucking. 35 grand and it's puffing out smoke like that.
It's been sat, you fucking idiot. It's a diesel.
This guy doesn't know how to treat his cars. Get a close up on it.
Nasty that experiment.
But
This is the first
in it, there must be. Is it? Oh, wait. Man's got normal shoes on. Cold. Man's called Bamar burnouts, but can't actually do a burnout. Ooh, sticky one.
I've got an Evo.
Yeah, but can I do that?
Yeah, if I spin it in a circle. Wait till my episode.
Wait, yeah, you wait.
I'm waiting.
We've got things in
Don't you worry.
Fucking hell. It's like just wasting money here. Look at these fucking quids.
Man off.
The penguins. It's got my Instagram to see a burnout, man. I don't need to do that yet.
Do you want me to wax some table or not? I'm actually going to make a car better.
Sticks too wet.
Borderline MOT-able. Are they sponsored your build or what? No. No? You can get the full out of here.
I just got a drink. What's in the drink? Let's all guess what's in the drink. Yeah.
You try more shit?
It's tea.
I don't, I'm not.
No.
Yay! I won. Why is it so many different colours?
Fucking the booth. Let's do Ding at a Diamond. Not gonna lie, don't get Mike's, but I can't be asked. That sounds like a cameraman's job. Yeah, you will. Good boy.
Like he's off on a scuttle trip, bro.
Okay, no. Like a proper cameraman now. Yeah, that's the mics, bro. Look, I bought the new ones.
Did you?
The Mini Freeze. Let's do a review. Bro, they've got a little display on them now.
Got 4 mics now?
Yeah.
That means the cameramen can be mic'd up as well.
Yeah, we'll get the stutters.
Get level stutters. Stutters.
Is the car backfiring or is it Alfie on one again?
Listen.
Yeah. That's what I thought. Nothing. Puss it up.
I should have really bought a cheaper one, but I bought it with the intention of it's getting fucking hammered. We're going to drift it, we're going to hydro it, it's going to get the full fucking lot. Yeah. So don't start crying when it's in fucking scrapyard on its way back to fucking China. See you later.
Isn't it Japanese?
Yeah, Japanese. But it'll go to China and then it'll go to Japan. It'll do its full circle of life. Only one light works.
Really?
I could show you, but they're all big crack here. If you ain't got one of them, you're not drifting hard enough.
Yeah.
Note to the boys out there that are skidding, because everyone I've seen that can send it has one of them.
Why? How'd you do that?
Drifting. It's just hitting shit.
What, it
must shift all this side or something. It started out down here.
Every time you hit something, it just gets a bit bigger.
Down there,
so you can tell how much a man skids.
We've been through.
His window is.
We've been through 4 or 5 sets of rims, smashing them up. We've done a subframe.
Yeah, I believe that.
So it's nearly not even the same car at this point.
What's next? What you got planned for it? Anything? Nothing?
Who wants to buy it?
Oh, it's for sale. Shout it out. Hey.
Who the fuck wants to buy it?
Let's fucking raffle it.
Yeah, raffle it, yeah.
Let's fucking raffle it, yeah.
To be fair though, it's not Mr. Beat. Can't fault it, I'm Mr. fucking Beat, mate. Started every time, you know what I mean? Like, sat on driveway for 4 or 5 months, still started up.
Just cushed you every time you got
Every time, mate. And you can beat the piss out of it.
Beat the piss out of it?
Yeah. All you boys that are watching that want a 350Z.
Yeah. Shout my anonymous mate,
Yeah.
You can't get in touch with him because we're not allowed to tag his socials.
Yeah, I don't have none. Yeah. Don't do none of that.
You're going to have to contact someone else.
I was born in a different era to you lot. Old school. Stay quiet.
I'm moving in silence, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So if you want to be lit like me,
Jacket
get in touch. We'll get the fucking 350Z sent your way.